In the vibrant world of social media, few tools capture emotion quite like GIFs. The moment you decide to post a GIF on Instagram, it feels like unlocking a treasure trove of expression. Imagine scrolling through your feed, your finger hovering over the perfect animated clip that encapsulates your mood. You find a GIF of a cat dramatically falling off a table, and you know it's the perfect response to your friend's latest mishap. When you share it in a post, the anticipation builds. You craft a clever caption, perhaps something like, "When life throws you curveballs," and hit share. The reactions pour in, laughter and emojis flooding the comments. The GIF breathes life into your words, creating a connection that static images simply can't achieve. Stories offer another layer of interaction. You tap on the GIF icon, and a world of possibilities opens up. You choose a sparkling confetti GIF to celebrate a friend's birthday, overlaying it on a photo of the two of you. As your story plays, the joyful animation dances across the screen, transforming a simple moment into a celebration. Your followers tap through, grinning at the festive touch, feeling the joy radiate from their screens. Direct messages present an intimate space for GIFs to shine. A friend shares a tough day, and instead of just typing words of comfort, you send a GIF of a comforting hug. It's a small gesture, but it speaks volumes, conveying empathy in a way that words alone might fall short. Even in comments, GIFs can turn a mundane thread into a lively exchange. A simple LOL becomes a riot when paired with a GIF of a character rolling on the floor laughing. Each GIF you share is a brushstroke in the canvas of your digital life, weaving a narrative that is uniquely yours, filled with laughter, empathy, and connection.